Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Beauty Blink with Sush. I hope all of you are doing fine. So you might have guessed what is the look in today's video. It's Onam special guys. So first of all, happy Onam to all of you. So let's get started. As usual, starting with my Cetaphil cleanser. And then I'll be applying some moisturizer on the face. She had a very dry face, so it's very important to hydrate your face before doing makeup. And yes, the most important step, that is priming, and I've applied a primer on her full face. So this time I wanted to do on somebody else's face because I can make you explain how to do the base makeup for Indian skin tone. So this is a color corrector of Elegel. You might know till now that we use color corrector to hide the pigmentation and dark circles. It neutralizes all the pigmentation actually. You can see under eyes how am I dabbing with my finger. It is the best way to apply color corrector concealer with your finger on under eyes to hide your dark circles. Now I'm blending the color corrector with my beauty blender, which is a little wet. Now this is a concealer. Now you can apply your concealer wherever you have applied the color corrector. But I personally love to use concealer all over the face, keeping the shade darker, not lighter. There is one shade darker to your skin tone. It makes your face look even and gives a very good base before applying your foundation. Again, you can see how am I blending with my beauty blender. Now this is the foundation I'm using for Elegel again, a yellow which has a yellow tinge in it. Yeah, this one. Now I'm fixing the base with the Fit Me Compact powder. And guys, I really feel so bad. I just hate the filter in it. It was just accidentally because I was shooting alone and I could not make it out that I was doing with the filter on in this middle of the makeup. Like, it is so annoying. I just hate the filter because I always shoot on a very normal mode of my camera. I just try to avoid the beauty and whatever the filter I have in my phone. I really apologize, and next time I've learned from this mistake, and next time I'm gonna improve that. I'm gonna be careful on it. Okay, moving on, I have contoured her face. Now I'm applying a blush on her apple, making her smile, a little smile. And now I'm just gonna use a little bit of highlighter under eyes, and then the bridge of the nose and a little on the forehead. It's a matte highlighter guys, it's not full of shine. I'm going to add a shine highlighter at the last. Moving on, I'm starting again with the eyebrows, combing it and then making it darker. So going on to the eyeshadows, I'm first making a crease with a very dark shade, that is very deep dark brown. I'm just dipping in the color, I'm not smudging it, I want it very dark and prominent. Now adding the pink shade as a transition shade and blending it all over. Now whenever you have any eyeshadow palette, you can play with the colors. Like, you can make crease with the darkest shade and you can make a lighter shade its transition, and you can blend it and it gives amazing result. It doesn't have to be a specific eyeshadow palette, any eyeshadow palette you have will work it. Now I'm adding this golden shimmer of Maybelline eyeshadow palette. Now coming to the eyeliner, I'm just making it simple, nothing very stylish with the eyeliner. As you can see, it's a mascara that I'm applying onto her lashes. Now I'm working with the same dark brown shade, and then with the pink shade applying and blending all over, and again with the highlighter and a gold glitter that I've used above, I'm just going to use it again in my inner corner and highlight it. So like this, you can play with any shade. You just have to remember the trick where to use which kind of shade, and that's all. Coming to the lipstick is like every individual, they know what shade it suits to them, and yes, you can carry with any kind of color. It's just that be confident and carry out your look. Now I'm highlighting with a shimmery highlighter on the tip of the lips, on the tip of the nose, and on the bridge of the nose and the cheeks. And I'm going to do a makeup fixer spray. And this is her final look. Now this is not in a filter mode, this was normal. I don't know what had happened to me. I was just shooting randomly. I was in a hurry maybe. So yeah, this is the final look. How are you liking it, the change that I've made in her? Guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you are new to my channel, take a moment to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and hit on the like button as well. So see you soon with a brand new video, and yes, happy Onam to all of you. And see you in the next video with a brand new one. Bye bye.